were sitting on the porch and watching the flood water comes up, and it's got right to the top of it started lapping on the porch before it actually started residing, and it was scary. Just cleaning up, drying out. It's just a lot of going through stuff. I don't know how else to say it. It's just going through stuff and seeing what we can salvage, what we have to get rid of.
Very scary because you don't know how high it's going to go. We actually thought that this time it was going to come into our first floor, and we have a ranch, so if it comes into our first floor and we're very high up, everybody else is in trouble. We actually we stack stuff up so that we figured, okay, water's not going to hit it. Yeah, the water actually came up and hit everything this time, so we're actually disappointed because we lost some of those items, but they're material things, they can be replaced.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Yeah,